EMF sensitivities. This is affecting very many people all over the world in a very negative way today. The World Health Organization estimates that almost 3% of the entire population may be experiencing extra sensitivities, or even something they named EMF hypersensitivity, which is just basically being extra sensitive to EMFs. That could be from a cell phone, a laptop, a router, even something electrical like power lines. Now, the people that this is affecting, there's almost no solution for, because our products are addressing the root cause of what EMFs are doing to us, okay? Now, if we address the root cause, you may still use a cell phone and still be extra sensitive, because your body decides that everything around it is either a friend or a foe. And if your body decides that that cell phone's still an enemy, it's going to react accordingly. We need to reconvince that body that this cell phone, as long as it has the cell phone chip from EMF Solutions on it, is no longer an enemy. I don't have to react in a negative way anymore. By the way, what we're about to cover will not work if you don't have an EMF cell chip on the cell phone. So don't waste your time with it. Now, you'll notice the kit comes with the the body harmonizer, okay, the EMF body harmonizer. It's going to have some liquid in it, it's going to have some crystals, and there's stuff. Now, when this is placed on your sacrum, which is about underneath your belt line in most cases, right in the middle of that big bone you can knock on with your knuckle and feel, then this is going to take, in a muscle testing sense, any chiropractors and acupuncturists and others that use muscle testing will tell you that some random points in your body test negatively, test positively, and so on. This should make everything test positively. Now, if that's the case, it's probably going to work to address the EMF sensitivities. Now, it also comes with E6000 glue and some 3M tape, and those are for if you want to attach a clip, which you could then clip right on your belt line. As long as this is still going to rest right about the middle of your sacrum, then you can use these things, and the clips makes it kind of convenient. Now, let's get back to why this works and what we're doing with this. First of all, we really encourage you to get a holistic practitioner, and we can connect you to one in your area or as close as we can get to you, and have them coach you through this so you're using it properly. Second, here's the basics, okay? When you're sensitive to a cell phone, let's say, let's use that as an example. If a cell phone's on you, you have a sensitivity to it. So let's just say before the cell phone comes on, I'm going to put this on my sacrum. All my body points are now positive, at least testing that way. Now I can take the cell phone on me. If my points are still testing positive, which they should be, then I can use the cell phone or just hold it against me as an exercise and then take it off. And after the cell phone's away from me, arm's length, I can take this off my sacrum. You do that over and over many times a day. The more times a day, actually, the better. And you want to have your cell phone on you for like 10, 20 seconds at least, and then take it away from you. And it's important to put it on, take it away, put it on, take it away. You're reconvincing your body that maybe this cell phone's not an enemy anymore. Maybe it's a friend, or just at least not an enemy. So you don't have to have a reaction like it's an enemy. 21 days is the magic number. I've seen it happen less. It doesn't work 100% of the time. But this is sometimes a very easy, inexpensive way to address this issue. And if this doesn't address it the way you want, you may have to move on to some other alternatives, which means seeing the right holistic practitioners and going to stage 3, which is a little beyond this video. So thanks for listening.